and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonia, and in today's video I'm going to be making a coconut cream pie. It is the first time for me to make this. We've had it several times, and one of the best ones we had was in Hawaii, and I wanted to kind of recreate that recipe. We had it at a place called Monkey Pod, and from what I remember how it tasted and things that were in it, this recipe comes very close to that. So if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. On this channel you will find tons of different style of cooking, lots of made from scratch dishes, as well as lots of kitchen related content. So I hope this is something that you will enjoy watching. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you've had a coconut cream pie before, and if you think this recipe is close to what you've had. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to share with you what goes in it. So here are the ingredients. You've got 2 cups of half and half, 1 1/4 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, cubed, 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch, 1/2 a cup of granulated white sugar, 4 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I'm also using a prepared crust because my food processor died and I like using a food processor to make a pie crust, so we are going to, for today, use the store-bought one. And then you need a pie dish, and I'm just using some coconut oil just to oil the stone. And I'm also going to be making my own whipping cream, but if you don't want to, you can always use a Cool Whip or just spray some whipped cream on top. And then you're gonna need additional shredded coconut for toasting it and sprinkling on top, which I will share with you at the end. So I'm going to get my crust ready and into the oven, and then we're gonna start with the filling. To prepare the crust, you just follow the instructions on the box if you're using a store-bought dough. If you would like to try hand on making your own, I will link a video up in the sky of a crust that I like to use and I have made before. In a medium saucepan, add in the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and cornstarch. Whisk together until it's well combined. Then add in 1/2 and 1/2 and eggs and whisk until smooth and combined. Bring to a boil over medium heat, whisking constantly. Boil for 1 minute and then remove from the heat and whisk in the butter, 1 1/4 cups sweetened flaked coconut and vanilla extract, and you want to whisk vigorously until it's well combined again. Cover the pan with plastic wrap, and you want to place the plastic wrap directly onto the custard for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is done, you can pour the custard into your prepared pie crust and smooth out the top. And now you want to refrigerate it until it's set for about 1 to 2 hours. While that's in the refrigerator, in a bowl of a stand mixer, beat the heavy whipping cream and confectionery sugar together on high speed until stiff peaks form for about 5 to 7 minutes. I also toasted some of my coconut flakes. You do not have to do that if you don't want to. I did it just on a stove in a non-stick cooking pan. Now you're going to spread the whipped cream evenly over the pie top and top it with the toasted coconut. And here it is. all done, and it tasted absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the recipe will be linked down below.